안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make braised potatoes in soy sauce, 감자조림. This is a very quick and easy recipe, and this is perfect as a side dish, banchan, and can be a good idea for vegetarian meal. Sweet and salty taste really matches well with rice. Ingredients are simple as well, just potatoes and chili pepper with simple sauces. That's it. Okay, then let's set the table. First, peel the potatoes and cut into cubes. Soak in water for 10 minutes to remove starch. Through this process, it's not going to stick to the pan later when we stir fry. During the time, cut the chili pepper into slices. Drain the potatoes and pat dry with a paper towel. Heat the oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Put potato chunks in a pan and stir-fry them for 5 minutes. After that, put sugar and soy sauce into a pan and stir-fry well. And then add half cup of water and cover up a lid. Simmer for 10 minutes on medium heat. Once the potatoes cook enough and absorb sauces, add chili pepper, sesame oil, and sesame seeds. Lightly stir fry. This is so yummy. Potatoes are very soft and salty, and sweet tastes are really good. And I like the little bit spicy taste because of this chili pepper. It's not spicy that much, but it makes the addictive flavor. Today I made braised potatoes in soy sauce, 감자조림. You can make easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.